At the bustling village square, a villager stands at the edge, his simple clothes hinting at a life far removed from the learned. Townsfolk are engrossed in books and newspapers, their brows furrowed in concentration. Each sports a pair of spectacles perched upon their noses, symbols of a world the villager yearns to join. The villager watches them intently, his eyes filled with a palpable longing for the knowledge they possess. If I had spectacles, I could read like them. His gaze lingers on the spectacles, a silent plea for access to the world of words and wisdom. The bell above the door announces the villager's arrival. As he steps into the spectacles shop, he pauses, eyes scanning the array of frames and lenses displayed throughout the shop. Approaching the glass counter, the villager declares, "I want to buy a pair of spectacles for reading." Frustration mounting, he exclaims, "These are all useless. I can't read anything." In the spectacle shop, the shopkeeper gently adjusts the book, his movements precise. The shopkeeper asks, "Do you know how to read?" The villager replies, "No, I don't. I thought spectacles would help me read." The shopkeeper explains, "Spectacles only help you see better. You must first learn to read."